Tom feels upset today.
Please clean your room first.
Mom asks Tom to clean his room. Tom feels frustrated. Tom decides to leave home. Tom leaves the house alone.
Tom walks away from home.
Tom keeps walking alone.
Tom walks near the park.
The weather changes slowly.
Tom begins to feel scared.
Tom feels lonely now.
Tom misses his family. The park feels quiet and lonely.
Tom feels hungry.
Tom thinks about his family.
Tom! Where are you, Tom? Mom feels very worried.
Dad looks everywhere for Tom.
Mom hopes Tom is safe.
Dad keeps searching. Tom feels sad and alone. Dad finds Tom in the park. There is Tom. Dad feels relieved. Dad found him safely. Tom feels sorry.
Dad speaks kindly to Tom.
Tom understands his mistake. Tom says sorry to Dad.
I should not run away.
Tom feels safe again. Dad forgives Tom. Everything will be okay. They return home peacefully.
Mom feels relieved. Mom loves Tom very much.
Tom wants to help now. The family feels happy again. Tom learns an important lesson.